Hello guys, if you're watching this video right now, chances are that you are struggling to make money in your Amazon KDP business. If what I just said now is true, then you should watch this video to the end. Alright, my name is Awajima Misioto, and as you know, I teach you how to do stuffs online. I teach you how to do stuffs that can help you to generate money using the internet. And in this video, I'm going to be sharing with you 5 reasons why you are probably not making sales in your Amazon KDP business in spite of all the books that you've been publishing. If this is your first time to come onto this channel, my name is Awajima, and I need you to do me a favor by kindly subscribing. Okay, subscribe, like this video, subscribe to this video, and when you subscribe, kindly turn on the notification bell. Just hit the notification bell so that when I put out more videos, you will be notified. Okay, having said that, let's quickly jump into the video. So one of the first reasons why your books are not selling on Amazon, likely reasons, could be that your book has a bad cover design. What do we mean? A lot of people don't really have the knowledge of how to design. They just go to Canva and just create something, and once they create something, they just put it up there and expect that it will begin to turn into money. It doesn't work. Book cover is one of the sweetest, one of the fastest, one of the ways you can actually attract people to your book. You can have some stuff. Well, we're not permitting you to create work. You understand? To create something that is not making sense and put it out there and put a good cover and expect people to buy. No, it will still affect you. So, but let's say for instance you have a book that is not too good. Let's say a 60%, 70%, good book, and you put a very powerful cover that is very attractive. You can sell with a very good cover, right? Most of the time people judge a book by its cover. A bad cover will make you to lose sales. One of the ways to do a good cover is to look up what people have done before, create a copy of it. Right, you don't need to copy it just the same way, but you can edit it to fit the kind of cover that you want to make. Interestingly, Canva is a very good place for you to create very nice covers. If you're having issues with creating covers, or you don't know how to create covers for your book, I will put a link in the description, a link that will help you to learn how you can create covers with Canva. Okay, so that's that. The next one is selecting the wrong category. Let's say for instance you make a book, right? And then your book is about health, and you pick your book and you go and put your book in the category of parenting. You're not going to get the right people seeing your book, and you get people confused. If your book is in the wrong category, it will be missing from the sight of your audience, and that can cause you to lose sales. Placing your book in the right category is very important if you want to make sales. So if you're making a book that has to do with making money online, you know that your book should be in the category of finance. If you're making a book that has to do with real estate, that helps people to sell properties, then your book should be in the area of real estate business. You need to know how to categorize your book, how to put your book in the right category. Let's look at it this way. Let's say you're a bookseller. So instead of you putting your book where you have the yoga session, you carry your yoga book and go and put it in where you have business books. The people who are looking for that kind of your book may be a nice book, but because it is not in the right place, it's going to be hard for people to find you. So think of it that way. That is how categorizing your book, that's how important it is to categorize your book properly on Amazon. This is very important, guys. Now the next one is poor book description. Your KDP books must be well described if you want to attract more customers. You don't just want to put a book and say this is a sketchbook for children. Let's say you're making a drawing book and you say this is a sketchbook for children. That is just too vague. You have to make it, you have to tell them this book is a nice book that can help your kids to have fun, coloring, painting. 100, you have to describe it very well. 100 pages that can help you keep your kids engaged while you drive, engage during family function, best for birthday gift, best for Christmas gift, best for graduating. You need to tell people what your book, you need to talk about features, you need to talk about the benefits of that book. All right, so this is what a book description is all about. So if you have a poor book description, it can stop you from making sales. Okay, so if you have a book right now, go and think about how you want to make your description. Go and see what the best selling books are doing. So copy their method, change it, tweak it a little bit, change it, edit it to suit the kind of book that you sell, and watch the way things will change for your books. All right. Now the next one is not using the right keywords. Keywords are very important. Not using the right keyword can affect your book. Learning about keyword is as important as your book description. All right. Now this keyword is some of those words that people are likely going to be searching for. So when they search for that word, let's say sketchbook for boys, that's a keyword. Sketchbook for young girls, sketchbook for illustrators. Can you see? So you need to understand how keywords work. Otherwise, you just post your book and you'll be expecting people to buy and you'll be wondering why they're not buying. Keyword is very important when it comes to making sales on Amazon KDP. Right? So the next one is using the wrong title. Using the wrong title. Title alone can can make you to lose sale. Title alone can make you to lose sale. Your title has to be appealing to attract the real buyers. Have a bad title and you will miss out on the opportunity to make sales. Guys, there's no way we want to talk about this one. This is simple as it should be. So if you really want to make money from your books on Amazon, you need to make sure that you are on top of your game when it comes to your title, because there are millions of people selling on that same platform. So if your title is crap, if your title is whack, your book will be nowhere to be found. Are you getting me? All right, are you getting what I'm saying? So you need to make sure that all of these things I've talked about are in place so that you can actually make sales. Okay, there's so much that we can talk about when it comes to some of the reasons why people don't make money on Amazon KDP, in Amazon KDP business. Okay, so we cannot talk about all of those things in this video, but I believe that you've gotten value from these ones I have talked about. If you're looking for a very good way to start Amazon KDP business, if you haven't started, this link that you're seeing on your screen, you click it. All right, you click it and it's going to take you to where you are going to find out how you're going to start Amazon KDP business. Amazon KDP business can pay you in dollars. All right, irrespective of the country you are in, you can make a lot of money from this business using your smartphone. You don't need a website, you don't need to pay for delivery. You don't need all those things. You don't need to build any sophisticated website. Guys, you can do this from anywhere in the world. Okay, so if you really want to be on top of your game, you need to be mentored. Right, you need mentorship on how to do this properly. Okay, so in once you click this link, it's going to take you to where you will find out more about how you can start Amazon KDP business. If you haven't subscribed to this video, kindly do me that favor of subscribing before you leave. and don't forget to turn on the notification bell so that when I put out new videos, more videos, you will be notified. Okay, don't forget, go to the description and use this link. Okay, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.